So today I'm going to be debunking something I used to believe in a long time ago, but no longer do. And that is the evolutionary theory and the ancient aliens theory. First, let's start off with evolutionary theory. That was created by Charles Darwin. When he was studying different species of birds, he noticed that there was minor variations between species. This is called microevolution and is something we observe in everyday life, like people breeding dogs into different breeds. But because of this microevolution he was observing, he thought that there might be an evolution of species as well. Although through the fossil record we have never once been able to find one species turning into another species. The actual DNA and genetic makeup of different animals would make this impossible as well. In order for something to be scientific, it has to be able to be tested, measured, and observed. And we cannot test, measure, or observe almost anything within the evolutionary theory. The Big Bang is a speculation. Their speculation is there was nothing in existence, an explosion happened, and it created everything, including intelligent life. This would be like walking out into the woods and finding a fully formed iPhone or a Ferrari. You can clearly look at these things and tell that they were made by intelligent design, just like the material world we see today. So in order for Darwin to even have a plausible hypothesis, he would have to prove that these things are not created by intelligent design, when they clearly seem to be created by an intelligent designer. And this can be proven by the symbiotic relationships between animals, plants, and oxygen. You see, without oxygen being in the atmosphere, we couldn't breathe. Without having food for us to consume, we wouldn't be able to survive. So that shows by some means we have an intelligent designer. And then that goes into the ancient aliens theory. Because some people think, well, what if it wasn't a god that created us? What if they were just ancient aliens? And the ancient aliens theory creates a never-ending paradox. Because if the aliens created this world and us and all the animals, then who created the aliens? Well, I guess the other aliens. And then who created those aliens? The super even more aliens? And then there had to have been aliens that created those aliens, right? Studying this ancient aliens theory when I was a lot younger is what turned me over to Christianity. Because the Bible has a clear, more definite answer to creation than the ancient aliens theory or Charles Darwin ever did. Let's read John chapter 1. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. The same was in the beginning with God. All things were made by him, and without him was not anything made that was made. And the Word was made flesh and dwelt among us. So here we see a clear, definite answer to creation. It was created by God, and that God is Jesus Christ.